Okay guys, this is another way I've done it. I don't feel like going to the store, so I'm gonna make a O-ring with a zip tie. And this can work if you do it right. The zip tie. Always leave it big so you can have room. Do the same thing as if it was an O-ring. Run this through there. And it's gonna be a little harder because it's not rubber, it's plastic. But you can still get it in. So let me show you. Same thing. Run it through there. It's not always easy, but it works. See that? Sometimes you gotta break it out of there. Got one through. And get the other one through. Okay. So I got it. Okay, now what you gotta watch is it's the same thing. Pull it through. But it'll be harder. It's not rubber. Gotta do it a certain way. There we go. See? That one's through too. Okay. Now, same thing. Want to hold it. Thing is, it doesn't stretch. You just want to hold it there and screw the O-ring a little bit so it can fit. And then you want to find a way to get it in there. In this case, it's gonna have to be on top. So, well, actually, the thing about this is it stays because it's not rubber. Okay, let's see what I did there. Okay, so now thing about this, you don't have to screw it all the way because, and I screwed it to the butt because it tightened. You're gonna tighten it up with the zip tie instead. So okay, so maybe see here. I always try to keep the screw aligned with the leg like that. See? So you wanna same thing with this side. Keep the screw aligned with the leg. What you gonna do? Okay, now I'm gonna pull it a little bit at a time till you get that. See? It's gonna pull. Pull some more. Take this out. Okay, and pull some more. I need a screwdriver. Start off small. It's getting tight. This side's, see, the only thing about this, you can't stretch it out because it's not rubber. So it's a little bit harder. I've done it before. Pull it some more. Okay. Yes, it looks funny. You want to do it a little bit at a time till you get it right. Once you get it, adjust it. probably not gonna work this time. Then get your scissors and cut, you know what, this off. This is the last minute way, guys. I don't recommend this, but this is the way I do it when I don't, and I'll probably fix it later. There you go. Pull this side a little bit so it can tighten. And you can get your, I don't stand much, but see, this is why I don't recommend it too much. So that, you gotta get that piece out of the way. There we go. And there you go, guys. Not the best way, but it is another way if you don't have no rings. But of course, I'm gonna redo this. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I'm gonna paint the head, you know, and I'm gonna, you know, it doesn't stand great, but yeah, at least it keeps the legs connected for a little while. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get some paint and paint this top of the head. And I have myself a faker that I've been looking for a long time. It's got some dirt stains. I already washed it and cleaned them. I couldn't get them off. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.